Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Gerald Macabate of Gerald, and we are now on our way going to Patag Silay, Negros Occidental, and we're going there to visit new places na na-discover namin sa Facebook, and I'm really excited. From Bacolod, parang 40 minutes to 1 hour yata yung travel. And yes, we're taking our own car, so medyo mas mabilis yata compared if magko-commute ka papunta doon. Ayun, so before we continue this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button right here, guys. So see you there. Bye-bye! Paper tree dito. Paper trees pala. Kasi madami. Oh, it's my first time to see a jeepney here. We are actually right now taking a rough road. A narrow rough road. Hey guys, finally we're here. Here at my back is the Pugad Resort here at Patag Negros. So, let's explore this. I'm so excited. I think, guys, the word Pugad comes from a Visayan word which means nest. So, ayun. Pasok tayo, guys. Let's go! Actually, we paid 1,000 for the entrance. Parang yung 1,000 is group of 5 and yun yung minimum for 2 hours. Kahit kayo lang dalawa or isa ka lang, yun pa rin talagang babayaran mo. We paid 1,000 for this, so samsamin na natin ang 1,000. Okay, go! Canteen dito. Canteen ba yun? So we sign up a waiver. Now we are waiving our rights if ever daw na madulas, mahulog, mamatay. Isang group parang nag-yoga sila. Oo, nag-yoga sila. So bawal ang maingay. Kwaresma na naman, guys. Tapos ang pantalon ko na sabit dun sa sobrang ganda ng view, guys. Falls, guys, andun yung falls. Wow, it feels like you're on top of the world. And actually, seeing photos in Bali, parang ganun siya. Parang ganun ang feels niya. All of the structures parang along the cliff, or I mean cliff side siya. So that's why sobrang ganda niya, sobrang maaliwalas. Marky, let's go. Let's go. So yun, guys, we're done with our Pugad trip, and actually it's quite expensive pag dalawa lang kayo, but I think if you're group of 5 for 1,000 pesos, okay na siya. So actually the place is very relaxing. So we are up for our next location, which is the Ilaya Highlands Resort. So yun, guys, so see you there. Bye bye. Yes, we're here at Ilaya Highlands, guys. so we're now here at Ilaya Highlands. Ayun. Sobrang dami ng flowers dito. And sobrang ganda ng view. Ayan guys, so we are now here in Ilaya Highlands Resort. Actually, I'm amazed because ang dami-daming magagandang flowers. Super well-maintained yung resort and worth it talaga yung pagbayad mo ng 200 pesos na entrance and then 100 peso for the pool. If you're a family or group of 5, then you might get a cottage which cost you 500 pesos yun, no? 500 pesos. That view guys is so good. That view is really good. Snacks first before tayo mag-swimming. Parang okay naman. Same halos presyo dun sa mga cafe sa Ilaya. Second thing na gustuhan ko dito guys, sobrang lamig ng hangin. If you're here staying in the coffee shop or in the restaurant at dumadapya sa yung hangin, sobrang lamig niya guys. Parang gusto ko na mag-jacket. Okay, we're waiting for our food and I think it looks delicious kasi nasa kabilang table tapos sila kumain na rito. Mukhang masarap. O diba, kailangan ko mag-behave dito kasi medyo yung place. Medyo holy. Hindi, medyo hindi garapal yung mga bisita kaya kailangan natin makibagay. Hindi ako pwedeng sumigaw-sigaw, tumalon-talon. Yung mga usual pa. Quick tip lang, if you really want to enjoy here and visit here, I suggest na pumunta kayo ng Mondays or Tuesday or Wednesday kasi daw masyado dumadami yung tao pag Saturdays or Sunday. Pero limited naman siya. Everything is booked prior hand before kayo makapunta para hindi daw ma-overcrowded yung resort. So yun, I think the food is now ready so I'm excited to eat. Yes, club sandwich. Thank you. Looks good. Alright, wow. Looks delicious. Yung food nila lasang mayaman. Minsan lang tayo makatikim ng pagmayaman. Pero kaya lang naman, hindi naman sa ganun kamahal. Or lasang pangmayaman talaga siya. The manager here, which actually happens to be a family of the owner, allowed us to get into the glamping site. Actually, yung glamping site will open pa daw mga first week of May. But fortunately, of course, kay friends kami, chika, friends, we are allowed to take a peek. O, diba? Bongga. So, arating. We are allowed to enter the glamping. Oh my gosh. This one looks like bohemian. Every day is a new adventure. Never look back at going that way. Happens to the journey. This is a toilet. This is how cool is that? So we are now experiencing here the pool, infinity pool. Ayan si Marky. Hindi na siya nakikita kasi ang itim-itim na niya. tuturuan ko yung mga viewers ng swimming techniques. Yan guys, gano'n na. Gano'n ang dog style. Dami ko na ina. Hitting sunset guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, actually nire-risk ko right now yung iPhone ko. Ayan na siya yung sunset. Actually guys, for those na gusto pumunta dito at mag-swimming, separate charge pa na 100 pesos yung swimming. Pero kung ganito naman kaganda yung view, o diba, sulit na sulit na. Just offer your feet. That's Panay Island. Sabi ni Marky, Mountains of Capiz na daw yan area. Oh, that's so nice. Do feeling ko ginhatag gid ni Lord sa akin today. Guys, look at that sun rays. Actually, nagba-bounce na yung light sa akin. It's so reddish. It's my first time to see this kind of sunset. Look at that. Yes. I'm waiting for that time-lapse video. I think that's super cool. So yun guys, super worth it talaga guys. Actually, the spending is wala na siya kasi even so na sobrang ganda talaga. We really enjoyed it here. We really totally recommend it to everyone. The food is good. The view is good. The ambience is good. To conclude your day, a very nice warm sunset. Look at that rays. It's so amazing. So, let's enjoy it guys. Ooh. Look how cool is that guys. We are on our way back to Bacolod City. Actually, quite scary yung daan kasi walang street lights, walang masyadong dumadaan, tsaka medyo bulubundukin pa yung area. So, mabuti may nakita kaming isang SUV. So, medyo kasabayan. Hindi kayo matakot. So, see you there guys sa Bacolod. Hi guys! So we're now here in Bacolod. Kaka-check-in lang namin dito sa Airbnb namin dito sa Amaya sa Bacolod. And we are really happy about it. So that was it guys, our Pugad and Ilaya Patag trip vlog for today guys. Actually, sobrang saya siya. Medyo exhausting siya kasi coming from Iloilo until papunta na dun sa hapon. Pero definitely, it's all worth it. Concluding our day with that very nice sunset. So, sulit na sulit talaga guys yung biyahe, yung pagod, yung binayan. And of course, patok na patok talaga sa memories namin. So, once again guys, thank you for joining me in this entire video. Medyo, eto na, groggy na. And for those who haven't subscribed in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button right here guys. So, see you on our next vlog guys. Bye-bye! Tuloy-tuloy bango, bango. So, bye-bye!